Imagine this. You're in your 20s living your best life, but every time you check your bank account, it feels like a horror movie. The suspense builds, and just when you think you've got it all under control, bam, another financial mistake knocks you down. If you're ready to turn that story around and secure your future, stay tuned. In the next 10 minutes, we're diving deep into the financial blunders you absolutely need to avoid. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Let's face it, finances can be daunting. But the truth is, every decision you make today shapes your financial future. So, what are the most common mistakes people your age make? Let's break it down. Mistake number 1. Living beyond your means. You might think, hey, I deserve to enjoy life. And sure you do. But here's the kicker, that new phone, those luxury shoes, they all add up. Spending more than you earn can lead to a never-ending cycle of debt. According to recent studies, over 60% of millennials live paycheck to paycheck. Pause now, that's a scary statistic, right? Unless your paycheck has a magical growth spell, living lavishly now will haunt your future. Let's move on to the next mistake, and trust me, it's just as dangerous. Mistake number 2, ignoring your credit score. Think of your credit score as your financial report card. Ignoring it can be like skipping your gym routine. Sure, it feels good now, but the long-term effects? Not so much. A low credit score can cost you thousands in interest when applying for loans or even renting an apartment. Gasp, who wants to pay more for a car just because they didn't pay attention to their credit report? Mistake number 3, not having an emergency fund. Picture this, your car breaks down unexpectedly. What do? If you don't have an emergency fund, you could be forced into high-interest debt. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. That's your financial safety net. Dramatic pause, can you really afford to live without one? Remember, Netflix won't cover your car repairs, no matter how many seasons of drama you binge. Now, let's explore 2 more pitfalls that can sabotage your financial dreams. Mistake number 4, putting off retirement savings. It might seem ages away, but trust me, the sooner you start saving for retirement, the better. Compound interest is like a magic potion for your money. It grows over time. Waiting just 5 years can cost you a fortune down the road. Think about it. Would you rather have a cozy nest egg or a cold, hard reality later in life? Mistake number 5, falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Finally, let's talk about those tempting too-good-to-be-true offers. We've all seen them, right? If it sounds easy, it probably is. Real wealth is built through hard work and strategic planning, not shortcuts. So, avoid those schemes that promise the world for little effort. Let's recap. Living beyond your means, ignoring your credit score, lacking an emergency fund, delaying retirement savings, and falling for scams, these mistakes can cost you your dreams. So take action now. The sooner you start making informed financial decisions, the more empowered you'll feel. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Are you ready to rewrite your story? If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and join our community for more tips on building a wealthy lifestyle. Let's grow together and avoid these financial traps. Your future self will thank you for it. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. What will yours be?